Being a nurse, what makes you unique?
As a nurse, the ability to provide holistic care, especially to the underserved sector, is already a unique role for me. By serving my patient with great compassion, hard work, and love is what makes it more unique.
Hi! Magandang buhay! Happy Nurses Week po. Ito na nga, may nagtanong sa akin, anong reason bakit ako nagpapatuloy sa pagiging nurse? Ang pagiging nurse daw sa hospital, toxic, maraming gawain, kailangan mo ng oras. So, napaisip ako, bakit nga ba ako nag-stay? Ang pagiging nurse, mahirap po talaga. Pero, ang reason bakit ako nag-stay is, the main is, mahal ko yung trabaho ko. Mahal kong mag-serve, mahal kong magbigay ng serbisyo sa nangangailangan. Sabi nga sa school namin, be a professional health worker and serve the underserved place. So, ito na nga, kahit malayo ako, nag-stay pa rin ako, kahit malayo ako sa aking family, kasi nakikita ko na kailangan ang aking pagiging nurse, kailangan nila ng manpower na mag-serve para sa mga tao dito sa akin pinagtatrabahuan. So, the main is, mahal ko ang pagiging nurse, mahal kong magservisyo at mahal ko ang aking ginagawa. Thank you! Happy Nurses Week!
Bakit ka nag-nurse?
Okay, yung question po na yan para sa akin is napakahirap sagutin kasi po nung grade 12 ako is very shallow po yung reason kung bakit ako nag-nursing. Kasi po, yung reason ko lang is because I like po the way they look, how they wear their uniform, all white, very clean, ang linis tingnan. Pero masasabi ko po na yung reason po kung bakit ako nag-nursing is nalaman ko ngayon pong nasa area na ako at nagwo-work ako. Bago pa lang po ako sa hospital nag-work kasi I just graduated po last year. And then, dito po nalaman ko po yung reason kung bakit ako nag-nursing. Siguro po God helped me to come up with this decision kasi alam niyo po dito ako mag-grow as an individual. And also po, yung pagiging nurse, very tiring. Syempre, hindi naman po yun mawawala sa lahat ng work. And masasabi ko po na dahil po naranasan ko na, naramdaman ko po yung fulfillment na naramdaman mo, lalo na po pag nakapauwi ka ng patient mo, and then nakikita po silang in a good and well na kalagayan.
So as a nurse, what is the biggest challenge that you have encountered here in CSGH?
As a nurse, for me, my biggest challenge that I've already faced is having to take care of the patient na alam mo naman na sooner or later magkakaroon din ng end yung life, pwedeng sa care mo and pwedeng sa care din ng ibang patient, ng ibang nurses. And yung one day parang na-attach ka sa kanila, tapos pagbalik mo, yung pasyente wala na nalipat na somewhere na hindi maganda, more ganyan. So, yung emotion, nakikip mo, tsaka yung attachment mo sa kanila, which is very challenging kasi ang dami namin kinakapitan. And kung lahat yun, mabibigyan mo ng attachment, especially sa emotion mo, magkakaroon ka ng mental exhaustion po. So, yun yung pinakamalaking challenge. And hindi yung pag-aalaga, pero yung emotion na na-attach mo sa kanila.
Yeah, you can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong banging on your chest.
You could beat the world, you could beat the war. You could talk to God, go banging on his door.
You can throw your hands up, you can beat the clock. You can move a mountain, you can break rocks.
You could be a master, don't wait for luck. Dedicate yourself and you go find yourself.
Standing in the Hall of Fame,
Yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah,
'Cause you burn with the brightest flame,
yeah,
and the world's gonna know your name.
yeah.
And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can go the distance, you can run the mile. You can walk straight through hell with a smile.
You could be the hero, you could get the gold. Breaking all the records they thought never could be broke.
Yeah, do it for your people, do it for your pride. Are you ever gonna know if you never even try?
Do it for your country, do it for your name.
Cause there's gonna be a day when you're standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame.
Be a champion, be a champion, be a champion, be a champion.
Walls of the Hall of Fame. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions, be truth seekers. Be students, be teachers, be politicians, be preachers. Yeah. Be believers, be leaders, be astronauts, be champions. Standing in the Hall of Fame, and the world's gonna know your name. 'Cause you burn with the brightest flame, and the world's gonna know your name. And you'll be on the walls of the Hall of Fame. You can be the greatest, you can be the best. You can be the King Kong hanging on your chest.
You could be the world, you could be the war. You could talk to God, go